Inspired by Bruce Lee, he created over 30 global karate champions from the slums of Kolkata.
मेरा नाम प्रहलाद सरदार है। मैं क्लास 8 तक पढ़ा हूँ। उसके बाद हम कंटिन्यू नहीं कर पाया। लोगों ने समझा मेरा कहानी यहाँ पे खत्म हो गया, लेकिन मेरे अंदर बुज़दी का जो जुनून है, हम उसी से ही मेरा 80+ स्टूडेंट को, चैंपियन को हम तैयार कर रहे हैं।
Kolkata's Prahlad Sardar is a true force for good hero, brought to you by the Better India and the Aditya Birla Group. Born in Kolkata, Prahlad grew up in a one-room home. His mother worked as a domestic help. His father pulled a rickshaw. At 12, Prahlad started earning, delivering newspapers, washing cars. That same year, he saw Bruce Lee on screen. Those sharp, fearless moves, Prahlad knew this was it. This was his calling. Karate became his escape. In the streets around him, he saw children growing up with the same struggles he had. Some begging, some dropping out of school. So he decided to teach them the one thing that had saved him, karate. In 2018, he started Prahlad Karate Academy with just 4 children. By 2020, he had nearly 30 students. Then the pandemic shut everything down. Classes stopped. To survive, Prahlad went back to washing cars, but he never let karate go. When restrictions eased, he returned to the park with just 4 students, just an open ground and discipline. Children passing by stopped to watch, then joined in. Slowly, the academy rebuilt itself.
ना मेरे पास एजुकेशन थी, ना मेरे पास पैसे था, लेकिन मेरे पास डिसिप्लिन था। मैं उसी डिसिप्लिन को मेरे स्टूडेंट के अंदर भी देना चाहती हूँ।
Today, he trains over 85 students, many from families like his, many for free. At the 9th International Karate Championship in Kolkata, with 7,500 participants from across the world, 30 of his 31 students won medals. Now he's building a small indoor class inside his home. Because for Prahlad, karate isn't sport, it's a way out.
अगर कराटे एक बच्चे की इतनी मदद कर सकती है जिसे स्कूल छोड़ना पड़ा, तो सोचो वो बाकी बच्चे के लिए वो क्या कर सकता है। मैं अमीर नहीं हूँ, लेकिन मैं बच्चों को कॉन्फिडेंस और खुद पे भरोसा दे सकती हूँ।